Previously in the Cars universe, after defeating the ninjas and Sterling's army of robots and guards at the ninja's garage, Mater found his cousin Buckteeth, along with a couple of his friends, and now they're going across the country doing all sorts of crazy things. Alright, Thunder Hollow. So what's so special about Thunder Hollow, Mater? Oh, it's an amazing place. Landon told me that he trained here for the Florida 500. Training? What kind of training? Well, he thought it was a race, but it turned out to be a demolition derby. Yeah, you know the story, right? Yeah, I think I saw it on Chick's Pigs. Now, after that, I've actually been here, participated in the demolition derby, and yeah, I want to do it again. Oh, hey there! Hey, I recognize you. You should. I participated in the Thunder Hollow event before. Yeah, I vaguely remember you. So, you want to participate again? Yeah, of course. Okay. Well then, you're a guest, so you can start first. Any of you participating? I'm good. I'm gonna sit this one out, I think. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I don't think Demolition Derby is for us pitties. Okay, I'll see you on the track in a few minutes, pal. I will need... Now, I kind of want to have a racing number for this one. Sure thing. Ladies and gentle cars, welcome to tonight's edition of Crazy 8. Let's meet tonight's contestants. Hey, I remember you. You're a friend of Lightning McQueen. Yes, I am. You're back again? Yep. Now this time I'm gonna win. Well, good luck with that. It is gonna be fun. Alright, everybody. Let's go racing. Huh? Got him. Wee-woo, wee-woo, wee-woo. Hey, get off of me. Whoa. Wee-woo, wee-woo, wee-woo. You again? Yeah, it's me again. Turn around, Taco. Ole! What was that for? I once used to fight bulldozers for a living. This is easy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, cars, it looks like we have a winner! Mater!